అందరికీ నమస్కారం. హ్యాపీ ఉగాది and welcome to Balaguru classes. Today we are going to discuss about the reflection of light at curved surface, which is the first lesson in 10th class. And as already we are discussed about the syllabus for this pandemic year 2021. So let's see the blueprint, weightage or blueprint of the question paper. So here conceptual understanding 28 marks, asking question and making hypothesis 7 marks, experimentation and field investigation 10.5 marks, information skill and projects 10.5 marks, communication through drawing and model making 7 marks, appreciation and aesthetic sense values, application to daily life, concern to biodiversity 7 marks. If we know the academic standards in the reflection of light at curved surface, then it will become very easy to learn and secure good marks in SSC public examination. In this lesson we have conceptual understanding. As we earlier discussed about this academic standard, in this academic standard we get some questions like explain, compare, differentiate, some problems. So in first lesson, reflection at curved surfaces, concave mirror, convex mirror. So we may get a differentiate between them, comparison. So what are the differences between real image and virtual image? They may ask questions like this. Numerical problems on the mirror formula. Next, asking question and making hypothesis. Guess what happens if concave mirrors or spherical mirrors are not discovered? So like that questions they may ask. Next, experimentation and field investigation. So we have only one experiment, that is lab activity, so which is most important for 8 marks question we can expect in the SSC public examination. When you are writing these experimentations or lab activities, remember those steps: aim, required material, precaution, procedure, tables, observation, conclusion and generalization. So if we write in this manner, the examiner will impress and you will get good marks. Next, fourth one, information skill and projects. They give table and they may ask question from that. Different positions of the object related to that, different images and their characteristic. It is the most important one. So we may expect one more question from this, either a lab activity or table information. Next, communication through drawing, model making. So here drawing. So in this lesson we have lot of ray diagrams. So we can expect one question from this. They will give the position of the object. According to that object we have to draw the image and writing the characteristics. They may give some rays wrong and we have to make the correction. So like this also we can expect one question from here. Next, appreciation and aesthetic sense values, application to daily life and concern to biodiversity. Write the uses of concave mirror, uses of spherical mirrors, like that questions expect from this academic standard. So overall we can expect 10 to 12 marks from this lesson, because we have experiment and project based question, numerical problems, ray diagrams, like that. So many chances are there in this lesson. Suggestion: prepare well the first lesson and secure good marks. Next, now we are going to discuss one 8 marks question, that is the difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. Reflection take place from the inner surface. So see here, no need to draw the diagram, but if you draw the diagram it will help to secure more marks. But don't commit mistake in drawing. See here, the reflection surface is inside. Reflection take place from the outer surface. This is convex mirror and reflection take from outer surface. The reflecting surface is curved in. The reflecting surface is bulged out. The rays after reflection converge at a point. See here, rays after reflecting, they converge at a point. The rays after reflecting diverge from a point. See here, they are diverging. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror, whereas convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror. It produces both real and virtual images depending upon the position of the object. It produces only virtual images. U, V and F are all negative. Except object is placed between P and F, U and F are negative, V is positive. Remember this, children. U is negative, V and F are positive. Children, pause the video, take the 2 screenshots, previous and this. Read as many as times you can read it. But writing is a compulsory. If you practice writing, then only which is equal to 10 times of reading. One time writing is equal to 10 times of reading. Read well and practice writing also.